Hey, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your website, you guys have some great call to actions here. That really helps with your conversion rates. And I also noticed that you guys did a great job with the content. Usually you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google, and you guys are just under that. And so let's take a look at some keywords. One example of a keyword is Foundation Repair Lubbock Tx. And when your customers search for this, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. And I see that you guys have some ads going on here. If we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses would be to have a Google business profile that has more citations. And what a citation is it is your business name, phone number, and address in other places like Yelp. And you want a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. And this is where your website is ranking. And it's awesome that you guys are ranking for this keyword because 90% of people will stay on the first page here and they stay towards the top. And so you'd want to make sure that you're ranking for all the buyer intent keywords that you're interested in. And I took a look at one of your main competitors. I have their website pulled up here. They also have some good call to actions. And it looks like you guys are already beating them with the content. So let's take a look at the back end of each website here. So I have WTX Foundation Repair plugged in first into Ahrefs. And we're going to look at some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. And so they have 21 and 14. And what's making up these ratings here are the backlinks that they have. 551 backlinks coming from 66 referring domains. And what a backlink is it is one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it is important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, as well as spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you do want to be intentional with your backlinks. And then WTX, they have 694 keywords on their website. And so let's take a look at your website. So I have your URL plugged in to Ahrefs here, and you'll have 24 and 4.2. coming from 744 backlinks from 269 referring domains. And so what you'd want to do is have both of these numbers beating your competitors here. And so you'd want to have more high quality backlinks here to boost this number. And then you'll have 1.9 thousand keywords on your website. And if we go over to the WTX, one way to get more high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You would go into these backlinks that they have here and then link them to your website as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And then let's take a look at some of their keywords that they have. Foundation Repair, 150 people are searching for this every single month. Mudjacking, 90. 100, 90, 90, 100, 100. And so what you'd want to do is have all of the buyer intent keywords that apply to you on your website, and then you'd want to be ranking for those. So have more high quality backlinks there to boost that trustworthiness and the authority of your website, and then have that Google business profile ranking, so add more citations there. And so I hope that this video was valuable for you. I would love to hear from you to find out if it was helpful or not. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.